Welcome to Simply Fun's How to Play Attributes, a game where players need to guess what you have drawn based on the descriptive words shown on the chosen cards. You can play Attributes with 3 to 6 players or in teams, ages 7 and up. Attributes is good for increasing vocabulary as players learn and use a fun range of adjectives. Attributes also helps encourage imagination and creativity as players choose descriptive words and then draw an image related to those words. Hand each player or team a dry erase board and marker. Shuffle the word cards and place the deck in the middle of the play area where all players can reach it. Place the sand timer next to the deck of cards. The first person to use an adjective to describe themselves goes first. The object of the game is to draw pictures that other players can guess. Your pictures should be based upon the descriptive words from the deck, and the person or team that is the first to reach 15 points wins. The first player will be the artist, and the others will be the guessers. If playing in teams, each team can choose who will be the first artist. The artist draws 3 cards from the top of the word card deck and places them face up where everyone can see them. Then they choose one of the cards to discard, playing with only 2. The word cards can be any color and placed in any order. The artist thinks of an image inspired by, but not using, the word cards on the table. This image is known as the attribute. When the artist is ready, the person on their right flips the timer to start. The artist draws while the other players or teams try to guess what is being drawn before the timer runs out. It is okay for the artist to give some verbal hints or encourage guessers in the right direction, but they cannot say or write the words they are trying to get the other players to say. Scoring. Use the scoring section of your dry erase board to tally your points. The person or team that guesses the correct answer gets a point, and the artist also receives 1 point. If no one has guessed correctly, no players receive any points. Once the round is completed, it is the next player's or team's turn to be the artist. If the artist is stuck on the 3 word cards, they may draw 1 more card, but must discard back down to 2. Try not to use the same imagery that other players have already used. The game ends when the first player or team reaches 15 points. Laugh with friends and family as you explore the art of adjectives with attributes.